All right, we're going to get started. We're going to be looking at the United Way website today just to see what it would look like as if I were a company in the market to contribute to United Way. I'm trying to figure out why should I choose them instead of any other nonprofit organization. Make sense? So, United Way. To be fair, I looked at the homepage for about 20 seconds yesterday. So this will be a pretty candid overview, and we're going to look at it for about 10 minutes and see what we find out. Alright? Alright, so see the zip code, contact United Way in your area. Alright, home, RSS. Now, I know what an RSS is, but there are going to be a lot of folks that do not know what that is. Blog, interesting jobs, contact, sitemap, search. Search is using Google custom search. Interesting way of branding that there. Truant officers. Click to activate this control about United Way. Alright, so that's a navigation. Didn't really see that at first. Get involved. Reading. So it's ironically still a lot of text there. If there's something important, generally you should try and bold it. Then that will help folks see it and understand it. Volunteer, donate, advocate. So I'm thinking my company might want to donate here, so I'm currently thinking I want to go down that route. United Way, AIRS, get connected, get answers, I don't know what a 211 is. Give to 211. If that's important, well, then you might want to tell me a little bit more about it, because I don't get it. United Way, pennies for change. Again, okay. What matters is a tagline. I guess it's in the footer. It's not clickable, and I think this is assuming I have some appreciation for a tagline. I'm not sure what that means. Bornlearning.org, mix in education with dinner. Again, I wish that would have a little bit of a teaser about what that is. United Way 2008, it's great that it has the current year. A lot of websites seem to forget that sometimes. I'm going to click to activate this control, see what it does. I don't think it's going to do anything different, but United Way, it's a lot of text there, and there's just that one picture of the guy in the background. I don't know what he's doing for me. Anyway, I'm going to go into donate, because that's where I was thinking. See, I still think that's going to tell me about, give me credit card information right then, whereas I'm looking to think about getting our company involved, but we'll go down that path regardless. So clicking that did a pop-up. Donate. The page contains. I'll say yes. Never a good thing. So now I hope I'm still within the United Way website, but so now I'm at unitedeway.org. So I switched domains a little bit, which can be a little confusing. Donate. Designate United Way of America. I don't know why that option's a single choice option. Or doesn't. Oh, that's a multiple choice. Donate. Designate United Way of America. I guess that's the global parent. Or designate to a specific program. Education, financials. So there's no little help. What is this? Learn more here. Obviously, you want, as I know, you want people to be focused on paying, but at the same time, without knowing what I'm doing, I'm not sure what that means. And, should there be a way for me to put 50% here and 15, 20, etc., to break it out like that? Designate to a specific United Way zip code. I don't know what that means, so I'll put in my work zip code. Type search, click search. Say yes again. All my other choices went away, and now I have United Way of Metropolitan Dallas, Inc. So there's no way to get back if I wasn't happy with that. That's not good. Donation amount, $10 minimum. Card type, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. Expiration date. CVN number. Looks like these are a little bit lined off. So normally I think this is the 3-digit code on the back of a credit card. Yeah, credit card verification number. So they put in the helpful acronym of CVN instead of saying the credit card verification numbers. Certainly you have room and space here. You just don't want any potential obstacles to get in the way of somebody that has money in hand to contribute here. So that screenshot we've seen works really well when you put that screenshot right here on that page. Just bake it in there. The other thing they do is just have a single email address field as opposed to making people type it in twice, because you get some folks that they get an error message, or they type in the wrong one, there's a typo, they don't know it. So having that confirmation on email address obviously helps that out. The minimum donation is $10. You're telling me that again. I don't know if you need to. All donations are subject to a transaction processing fee, with the exception of donations to the hurricane. That's funny, except for donations to this fund, and that fund was never an option. So I don't know what that means. Anyway, its partners will cover all. You got this in italics font, which makes it a little bit harder to read. Will cover all fees regarding processing of credit cards and other admin costs for all donations. Again, you're reiterating again about a fund that I don't have access to. So the 3.5 transaction fee, it's not clear if I'm going to get, if I put in $10, am I really going to get hit for $13, or are we just saying that $7 is going to go to the actual fund? I hope it means $7 is going there. Billing information, street, sometimes you need to have the two lines for your street address in case your apartment number or building number, suite number, city, state. I'm guessing this is you have to live in the U.S. So click continue. Obviously I'm just going to stop here. Legal notice, give.org. So that little continue appears grayed out, and might just be grayed out because not all the fields are entered in. The information you entered is not complete. Well, ideally you don't give me that error message. You keep me on my form, because now if I type this in, it's possible that I would lose all everything that I just typed in, and now I have to re-key it, which it's always a pain. So powered by United E-Way. It's a new name. I don't know what that means. That's the first time I'm seeing United Way. What matters? So obviously that's the tagline. Here they have it with the logo and the tagline connected, whereas down below it's just the tagline without a link to anything. So I'm going to close out of here and come back here. So that really wasn't what I was looking for, and it makes sense, that is donate, but I'm looking for how to get it in my company. So there's more things that we could cover, but mainly I wanted to do a 10-minute look at how does United Way doing things. So certainly there's some things to improve, mainly around the credit card path. You're trying to get people to give you money, so obviously that's process is pretty important. Everything you've heard from me is purely debatable. It's all opinion based. The way you really should be doing this type of research is with your users. Call Usability Sciences. Think we can help.